Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Todoist account. All right. First up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the URL box and type in app.todoist.com. All right. Once that's done, just hit on enter. Click on your profile. Okay. Click on it and go head over to settings. Now, what we're going to do here is just make sure that we are under the account section. Okay. Hover your mouse to the right and scroll all the way down until you find delete account. Just hit on delete. And as you can see here, if you signed up via Google, Facebook, or Apple, you must first set a password. All right. Just go ahead and click on this link right here. Now add a password. For example, this one, and confirm. Once that's done, just go ahead and click on add password. All right. After that, go ahead and scroll down again. Click on delete. And it says here, deleting your account is permanent. All your data will be wiped out immediately and you won't be able to get it back. Reason was just optional. Your email right here, just put it and the password. And once that's done, just hit on delete account. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says account deleted. Thanks for trying to do this. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.